Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video I will be showing you a kitchen tip, that is how to make this homemade kasuri methi instantly. That is, if you have run out of kasuri methi and you want to use it, how to make it instantly at your home. Kasuri methi enhances the flavors of dishes. It is mostly used in North Indian dishes. So to make this instant kasuri methi, I am going to use this methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. These are the leaves which I have purchased from the market. You can grow this easily at home. You can just spread a few seeds of methi or fenugreek in the soil and it will grow within 2 or 3 weeks. So this is the size which I have chosen. You can choose even a smaller one. You can keep the stalk long or short. Here I've taken a few long ones also, and I've just kept few short stalks along with the leaves. Using stalks also will enhance the flavor and it gives the structure to the kasuri methi, and the leaves won't dry up soon. So after you have cleaned the methi leaves, you need to wash it using water. So in a bowl I'm just taken enough water so that I can soak all the leaves. I have taken one bunch of leaves to make this kasuri methi, instant kasuri methi. So after washing, I'll just soak it for a few minutes, at least 5 minutes, so that all the dust, dirt and the soil which is there in the leaves will be settled down. So as you can see, the dust or the dirt is settled down. You can wash it once again also. So cleaning is very important. After you have washed it, just drain out the excess water. To drain it out, I'm just using this perforated bowl where I just transfer the washed leaves, and after a few minutes the excess water will be drained out. Or you can spread it in on the piece of cloth also, so that the water is drained out. So here the next step would be to heat the pan. Just heat the pan for 5 minutes before you drop all the leaves into it. Heating the pan will help the kasuri methi or the leaves to instantly evaporate the water. So here I have just spread the leaves along the pan after I have heated it. Once you have spread it, just reduce the flame and leave it for a few minutes until the water whichever is remaining is evaporated fully. So this, after 5 minutes, you can see that the leaves have turned crisp. So just if you press it in your hand, the leaves will become powdery. At that moment you need to put off the stove and leave it on the pan only, so that it dries even further. So the kasuri methi is ready. For one bunch of fresh fenugreek leaves, I have got one bowl of this instant kasuri methi. It takes at least 5 to 10 minutes to make this, but it is very cost effective. If you have to buy the kasuri methi in the market, you will have to pay quite a bit of money, but for less amount and very fresh leaves, you can make this, and you will be sure that it is not contaminated or it is not adulterated also. As you can see, if I crush it in between my hands, it will become powdery and you can use it on your dishes. So to store it, you have to keep this in an airtight container. I'm using a plastic bowl or plastic box. You can use even a glass bottle and keep it in the chiller or in your freezer of your refrigerator, and you can use it for more than 2 to 3 months. And this is the best way of making kasuri methi at your house using fresh leaves. If you have excess fresh fenugreek leaves, you can make this and store it as long as you want. So the flavor will be good only. It won't lose its flavor if you keep it in the freezer. So if you like more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want more such kitchen tips, comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.